Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to join to meeting with your laptop. If your friend requests you to join to the meeting, you don't need to sign in, so just click to join a meeting and then enter the meeting ID in here. So I have this code, and here you can write your name. I'm not going to change this. So this is asking you to remember my name for the future meeting or not. I'm not going to uncheck this, and also from here ask you to do not connect to the audio and turn off my video. Okay, I'm going to turn off the video, and there's also not connect the video. Let's join, and in here type the password and then click to join meeting. Here we go. This is how to join to the meeting. So the host is Navid Hazara. This is the password, this is the link, and also this is the meeting topic. So if you want to invite your friend, you can copy this URL code. If you click in here, it's automatically copied on your clipboard and then send through WhatsApp or Messenger, up to you. So this is the password. Okay, from here you can start your video and stop. And from here you can connect your audio. So now my audio is connected. If you can unmute. So this is how to invite your friend. If you click in here, so this is the meeting ID. If you want to send the meeting ID with the password, or so if you want to invite your friend through the link, click in here. It automatically copied on your clipboard, and then send this link to your friend. So there is now 2 participants, and then you can share your screen. From here you can start chat. From here you can say hi to your friend. You can chat public, or you can chat the specific the contact, so up to you. And also from here you can save the chat, and also if you want to from here you can share your file from Dropbox, Google Drive, or your computer. Also if you click in here and find your file and then open, and it will share with your friend, and you can change from here with which participant you want to share your file or your chat. Okay, you can record you can record the chat from here. Okay, when you start your video, click in here. So this is the host and this is your camera. So you can change also, you show like this, or you can show like this. You can change from here to show your friend like this, or maybe like this. Okay, this is how to work and how to join the meeting with your laptop. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.